In the sheltered nook of an animal rescue center, a gentle lop-eared bunny shivered as tumultuous rains drummed against the roof. The world outside seemed to echo its tremors of fear. Enter a curious kitten, heart full of wonder but paws tentative on the unfamiliar ground. Taking cautious steps, the kitten approached the shivering bunny, its instincts driven by empathy rather than fear. With gentle nudges and comforting purrs, the kitten offered warmth and companionship, drawing the bunny away from its shell of solitude. In the tranquil embrace of mutual comfort, they discovered a friendship that transformed fear into treasured companionship, even amid the storm.